Hi, I'm Joel Reedy, a founding partner at Cornerstone Law Firm. Today I want to answer a question that in the midst of the coronavirus crisis that many businesses are asking, which is, if I need to make layoffs, how do I protect myself from potential lawsuits? There are a couple of tips that I can give you. The first is that you should form a severance package if you can for the employee that you're laying off. A severance package is where you pay an additional sum to the employee beyond what they've earned and beyond what they're required to get under a contract if they have one with you, in exchange for them waiving some of their rights to sue. So this is an amount that you'll pay that's enough to justify them giving up certain legal rights they might otherwise have in wrongful termination. You'll have to give them time to consult with a lawyer, and you'll have to do this in writing. It has to be very specific under Pennsylvania law. These are really important documents to craft carefully because they'll protect you in a lot of other ways. The second thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you have documentation as to why you're doing this layoff. So for example, you might want to write a memo for internal site only that says here are the financial reasons that we've had to lay this person off, and also that explains how you selected who's going to be laid off. Okay, so if your business doesn't work on a pure seniority system, and many don't, and you're not laying off the most recent person, you really may have to explain, at least in an internal memo, why. Why do you need documentation? The most important reason is it shows that it's not a pretext. It's easy to make up a reason after the fact, but to show that at the time you made the decision, these were the reasons that you used can be very powerful evidence to protect you in a subsequent lawsuit. Third, and most importantly, you want to make sure that your decision to lay somebody off is not related to a protected category. So obviously you can't just decide we're going to lay off all of the oldest workers because they make the most. And you have to be careful not to do that in a backdoor way. So you can't just say, well, we're going to lay off the people who make the most and they happen to be the three oldest or most senior workers. That would be potentially a violation of federal law and state law in many circumstances. In addition, you don't want to lay people off, obviously, because of race, because of gender. You don't want to lay people off because of religious preference or national origin. There are other things that are protected as well. The real important thing to take away from this is that you want to not just do this haphazardly, but do it for good reasons and to document those reasons. This video isn't meant to be legal advice. We're just trying to help you with some questions you might have during this time. But if you have specific questions or you want to make sure your documents are drafted correctly so you're protected, give us a call or shoot us an email at Cornerstone Law Firm. We'll be happy to talk to you about your options and see how we can help you get through this.